Figure 311 in Chapter 3 on page 82 shows an illustration of an AV style script that was used in the production of a corporate video. This is a standard scripting convention used for a lot of program genres, both for traditional video production as well as for segments in various multimedia productions. It's a very handy convention whenever you have to visualize both the video and the audio elements of a production or a project. In the AV format, the video information is placed on the left-hand column of the page. The audio information is placed on the right-hand column of the page. And for this script, I used the program Final Draft AV to create this two-column format. So I came into this program, added information at the top of the script to basically just provide information to whoever would be reading it about the writer and agency and other information and so forth, and I can add that simply by typing it in to the appropriate field. And this is very much like a word processor, but it's one created specifically with script writing in mind, and in this particular case with the AV script format in mind. And I can come down into either the video column and begin adding visual information. And up here on my toolbar, I have options for inserting a scene, or inserting video, or inserting audio, or inserting a scene or a shot into either the left-hand column or the right-hand column. So we'll begin by inserting in a video note on the left-hand side, and that places my cursor in the first position, and I can start typing. Close-up of U.S. and state flags. And I'm not going to try to recreate the entire section, but I'll just put a couple of different pieces of information so you can see. I can go up to the Insert menu and choose Insert Character and begin typing. The first character is Jackie. Hit Return. The cursor immediately moves to the next line where I can type in the dialogue. And the rest of the dialogue. When I enter return, it prompts me for the next character. I'll type in Allison. Hit return, and we type in Allison, and I'm and so forth. And it's very easy to enter in snippets of information, whether it's actor dialogue, host dialogue, narration, whatever. Those segments can be put in on the right-hand side, and the visual information be placed on the left-hand column. Very easy to generate a script using a program designed specifically for that purpose. But again, if you don't have access to a program like Final Draft AV, then there are alternatives. And I'm going to bounce over here and just grab a section of text that I can copy. We'll see how well this translates to video. I'm going to open up Microsoft Word. And here's a new document window. And one of the things that you can do in Word is you can use tables to create a two-column layout. And I'm going to create a two-column table. We'll put 5 rows in it for the time being, and equal width to begin. And my video column typically is narrower than the audio column. And I can type in video. Center that. And even do some formatting up here where I add some line spacing before it and after it just to increase the white space. And I can come down then in the table and I can add my copy. I'm going to have to do some editing here because obviously everything's sort of appearing on both the copy from both the left hand and right hand side got copied into this interface. So I'm just going to clean things up here a little bit. And you can see that it's possible to format using tables in Microsoft Word and really achieve very, very similar results. And if I zoom out of this to a whole page, hopefully you get the picture. We can delete those extra rows at the bottom. That what I have here in Microsoft Word, for all practical purposes, looks very similar to what I have here in an actual script program. The only difference is a little bit more work required in Microsoft Word to format the text and place it where I want to place it, making sure that the left column is even with the content on the right column that it refers to. But again, most word processing programs will provide you the ability to create a script. It just takes a little bit of creativity in terms of learning how to use the tool. You may even be able to find online templates or plugins or some sort of product that's associated with your word processing program that you can bring in to turn it into more of a script writing environment.